Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to input the same text in different shells. For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 yellow box. I want to input the same text. For example, I want to input hello into the yellow box. To do that, you need to hold the Control key and left click to highlight all the shells. Okay, after you highlight, you can type in the last box. For example, I type in hello. After you type in the hello, you need to hit Ctrl and Enter at the same time. After you hit that, all the yellow boxes will have the same text input. So hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.